Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been granted bail by the Supreme Court of India. The bail comes following his arrest by the CBI in June in connection with the alleged scam in liquor excise policy case 2021. The Aam Aadmi Party leader can now leave jail after nearly 6 months in prison without a trial. Mr. Kejriwal had already secured a bail in a case filed by the Enforcement Directorate in the same alleged scam, after which the CBI had arrested him. The Delhi liquor excise policy case involved allegations that Mr. Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party received kickbacks worth ₹100 crore, including significant payments from a group termed South Lobby by the Enforcement Directorate and allegedly led by BRS leader K. Kavita for allotment of wholesale liquor licenses. The Enforcement Directorate and CBI believe this money was then used by the Aam Aadmi Party to fund election campaigns, including that for the 2022 Goa Assembly election. So what did the Supreme Court say during the hearing on Mr. Kejriwal's bail plea? In his judgment, Justice Ujjwal Buan has raised questions over the timing and manner in which the Delhi Chief Minister was arrested by the CBI. The Justice said, and I quote, "Non-cooperation cannot mean self-incrimination, and therefore, Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI on this ground was impermissible," unquote. Notably, the CBI had arrested him in court during his bail plea hearing for the Enforcement Directorate case, in which he secured a bail. Quote, "Bail is the rule and jail is an exception. All courts must ensure that the prosecution and the process of trial doesn't become a form of punishment in itself," unquote. So what are the bail conditions imposed on Arvind Kejriwal? First of all, he cannot go to the Chief Minister's office or the Delhi Secretariat. Second, he must also furnish a bail bond of ₹50,000 and a surety of a similar amount. He shall not make statements on this case or interact with witnesses. He shall not sign official files unless it is required and necessary for obtaining clearance or approval of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. With Pavitra, this is Anviti for NDTV.